I hear a lot of internet providers or big companies that are actually now doing these like competition speeds of how fast they can push data down a fiber optic cable over a long distance to enable faster speeds. Now, a lot of them's breaking certain gigabit barriers. We kind of got gigabit service going at the moment around like the whole UK and stuff like that, basically. But Japan's now beaten that by over 400. Is it over 400 teraflops? But it's massive amount of data. So they're basically saying they can download the whole entire Netflix library within a few seconds. That's how fast they're doing it. But it's still over normal fiber optic cable rather than single core cable, which is what a lot of the ISPs connect with to, and that's how we kind of surf. It's multiple core cable all working at the same time with multiple connections, so that we don't have to change the infrastructure. We don't have to lay any additional new cables. It's just combining the fiber optic cables already there as one single cable, even though it's multi-core, and pushing data down that way. That's how they're achieving these tremendous speeds. So obviously the only change I would say on the end would be the hardware. That's, instead of plugging a single fiber optic cable in it and it's seen it slightly different, it's able to then take the whole cable, which is multi-core, and then use that as one single kind of speed. So that'd be interesting to see how fast they roll that out and how fast we go. So in theory, we're already at downloading 4K. It still takes a while to download, a couple of minutes or so. But now running at these kind of speeds, if they start putting this in place soon, we'll be able to start streaming on low latency 8K videos. How amazing is that? We've got 8K TVs. They're still expensive, but at least they know now the bandwidth for streaming that kind of high quality 8K is now achievable once they change the infrastructure. So they don't have to lay new cables, or I think it's just changing the hardware and at these data centers that will start making this happen. But yeah, phenomenal speeds. Can you imagine that achieving downloading Netflix library within a few seconds, the whole entire library in a few seconds? That's just phenomenal amount of data pushing down a multi-core fiber optic cable. But goes to show our speeds are increasing. It won't be long before everything will be seconds, literally seconds downloads. Goes back to the old days when it used to be on dial-up that would take minutes to download anything that's very small like a picture. But yeah, that's where we are today in modern technology.